you? Am I audible to both of you?
Yes, madam.
Is my screen visible to both of you?
Yes, madam.
Shri, is it visible to you as well?
Black Black Cat SEO. Yes, madam.
Yes. Okay. So, black hat SEO is basically something which is unethical type, a technique of SEO, which is like we don't have to actually do it. So we have to try to refrain from doing it. So it is an ethical technique which are disapproved by the search engines basically. So black hat SEO includes various deceptive and manipulative techniques so that we can improve the search engine ranking, but it hinders the good experience of our users and violates the guidelines of the search engine. So basically, it is not approved by search engine, and it is a wrong way or technique of SEO where we are not following the guidelines or rules and restrictions of search engine. And while doing black hat SEO, our website can be blacklisted. So these techniques may give you short-term gains, but in long term, it will definitely blacklist your website and penalize you. So we have to refrain from doing it. And it obviously can give long-term damage to your website's reputation. So that's why we do not have to involve in doing black hat SEO. So black hat SEO techniques basically include when we do keyword stuffing, when we add more keywords which are actually necessary, like we have to add only 1 to 2% of the keywords of the whole content. But if we add more and more keywords, like we are adding in a paragraph, we are at like paragraph of 6 to 7 lines, we are adding 7 to 10 keywords, which is considered as keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means when we add more keywords which are actually necessary, like adding more than which are actually recommended. So that is keyword stuffing. Then is cloaking. Cloaking is when we present different content to search engines and users so that we can defame the search algorithm. So we can make fool of search engine that we are actually showing the some different content. So cloaking is that the content on the web page is something else, but we are showing our crawler, the boards of search engine, basically, which I told you the other day. The crawler crawlers some other content. So we are showing the content on the web page is something different, but for crawler, we are showing them something different. And there are different types of cloaking. Like we have various cloakings which are the part of developer only, so we don't have to like put emphasis on that. Then is hidden text or links. So hidden text or links is basically when we add text or links which are not visible to user. For example, the content. For example, on this page, the content, the base of this page is white. So when we are adding the links or the link or words in white format only, so that they will not be visible to the user, but they are actually present there. So that is considered as our hidden text or links. Then is link forming. So when we create like multiple numbers of links and for backlinking, so we create links which are not even necessary for our website, and creating n number of links basically, which will obviously hinder the reputation of our website. Then is doorway pages. Doorway pages is when we create low quality pages optimized for only for specific keywords that redirect users to a different page. So sometimes you open low domain like low reputation websites, and whenever you click on something like some word, they redirect you to some other website. So which is considered as doorway pages, which is in our black hat SEO. Then is content automation. So content automation is when we automatically generate content using some softwares or some scripts so that we can create a large number of low quality content, which is not at all like necessary. As I already mentioned you to both of you that we should create high quality content, and that content is of like no sense. That content doesn't make any sense, and that content is to manipulate search engine rankings only. So we don't have to engage in these activities. Then is link manipulation. Link manipulation is basically when we buy links for like link farming. Link farming is basically when we post multiple links on a single web page.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Shri.
content automation means what, ma'am?
Content automation is something when we like automatically create content using some softwares or some scripts, like using chat GPT or something, so that we can create a large number of low quality content which does not add any value to our user. So that is
Ma'am,
considered.
then everyone are creating nowadays.
Everyone is creating, but while you are creating content from like I particularly mention chat GPT for just an example, but there are various softwares which by which we create content. So if we are adding like creating content using chat GPT, but then we humanize it, then we deplagiarize it, so that will automatically increase the quality of that content. But if we are just like using some softwares and creating content and then uploading it, it is of low quality and it is not of any use. So that is considered as content automation when we use automatic softwares to create content.
So that time ranking will be low, madam. Suppose we will do
Yes,
the
yes. And
content
ranking,
automation.
yes, ranking will be low and it will not add any value to the person who is reading that content, who is going through that content. Then is link manipulation. So link manipulation basically includes when we buy links or we participate in link farms. Link farm is basically posting multiple links on the web pages. Or we use automated programs that will automatically create links for a website. So these techniques basically aim to artificially like inflate, like increase the number of inbuilt internal links to a website, which is not at all of any use. We don't have to use any artificial technique. We have to properly create links for our website.
What is the inflate?
Inflate is basically increase, like we have, we are artificially creating n number of like large number of inbound links, internal links for a
Okay,
website.
okay, okay.
Then is artificial spinning. Artificial spinning is basically when we have, for example, we have an article. If we see any article and we go like we copy that article and we rewrite it using some software to create multiple version of that same article, only giving slight variation, some variation to that article. So that is considered as article spinning. So those articles are then distributed across, like we submit them on various article submission websites so that they create illusions of like they are different content. But we know that they're the same content, but some of the words are like different only, rest of the content is same. So and we do that so that we can create backlinks from that. But that is not good at all. That will not help us to improve the ranking of our website. So we should refrain from doing that also. Then is negative SEO. Negative SEO when we deliberately like attempt to harm the competitor's SEO, the person the who is our competitor. We try to like in harm their ranking by implementing black hat SEO against that website. Like we use their website link on the website which are not good in like reputation, like their domain authority is not good, This includes like building spammy backlinks. We add their links to websites which are not good and copy their content across various multiple domains, across various multiple websites. So that is considered as a black hat issue.
Problem
Then,
is
sorry,
spammy backlinks means what?
spammy is something which is like not a good website which has like multiple negative things. We considered it as spammy.
Okay.
Is basically like how can I say spammy? Like spam, you must have heard the word of spam. Like unwanted links or bulk message or any solicited message or unwanted messages. So that is considered as like unwanted links can be considered as spammy links. Then is clickbait. Clickbait is something you must have seen multiple videos which have a different thumbnail. Like if you search for any topic, the thumbnail shows something different, but if you will open that video, it will show something else inside that video. So that is considered as clickbaiting, like showing misleading the person who is seeing that content like for something else. Like you are showing, for example, if content is for SEO, but when you read that actual content, then it is for AI or something. So that is when you mislead or like creating sensational or misleading headlines so that you can attract more clicks or more number of person to your website or web pages. Then is cyber squirting. Squirting is basically when you register domain names similar to some existing. So your website's name, your domain name, which so if you register to the similar name of some existing brand or some trademark, so that you can get profit from their reputation and divert like their traffic to like other website or your website. So that is considered as cyber squirting. For example, I'll be giving an example of black hat SEO. There is a website which has hidden text with keywords, like multiple keywords stuffed in that content at the bottom of that page, like at the very bottom of the page, making it invisible to the users, and that is invisible to the user. For example, I gave you an example like the page is of white color and the content is of white color only. So that is making it invisible to the user, but is visible to the search engine crawler. So obviously search engine crawlers will like it will be visible to the search engine crawlers so that we can manipulate we can manipulate the search engine rankings. So that is an example of black hat SEO. The other example is when a website owner like
Madam, I'm not understanding first what you explained the example.
So you have a website, Subhash, and
Yeah.
over there you have a web page where, for example, this is your website. This whole thing, it is an example that this whole thing is your website, and you have like once. So this whole thing is your website.
Okay.
And like, for example, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. And in 8 lines, you have almost added 10 keywords. Okay, that is considered as text stuffing or keyword stuffing, which is not at all good. You should not do it because that will negatively affect your keyword ranking. I already told you that it will negatively affect your keyword ranking. Then we have other thing which is like, for example, the color of this page is white, and you can see this content because it is of black color. But like if you want to increase the visibility, sometimes people do is they keep the color of this text, like this whole text white only, so which make it invisible. obviously it will make like white on white will be invisible only. So it will not be visible to the user, but it will be visible to the search engine crawler, because search engine crawler, like the color doesn't matter to the search engine crawler. It's just that they see what all the content is present on that web page. So this all why we have done all of these activities, so that we can manipulate, we can change, try to change the search engine rankings, which is a black hat SEO technique, which is not recommended. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have a website owner. There is a website owner which like publish several pages targeted only for a specific region, that all direct users to the same landing page. So, for example, Subhash or Shri, you have a website and you have few pages. Whenever someone click on those pages, they will redirect. They if they click on any of the words or links from that page, they will land. They will go to some other page only. So, which is not good. So that landing page, the page which will open after you click on any word or link from current page, will can be used to create doorways pages which are quickly and easily loadable, and which make this underhanded technique appealing, because as I mentioned this example, doorway pages. So when we create low quality pages, basically, so that we can optimize for specific keywords. So for example, there is a keyword which if you will click on this keyword, you will redirect it to some different pages, which is not good. So that is a person doing, so that is considered as black hat SEO.
Ma'am, once you tell the last one, ma'am, a website owner.
Don't get confused on this. I just do you remember I explained this doorway pages to you. Let me show you an example if possible. It will take some time. Till then, do you have any other queries for Black Hat SEO, or it is clear? Because once we'll do practical, I'll explain each and everything to you practically, so that will make things more clearer. For now, is it clear, like for the theory part only?
But actually, black hat SEO is a illegal things. All are the illegal
Yes,
to search engine.
unethical thing. So that's why
Unethical.
it is not recommended for any person to do black hat SEO.
These things cannot do. The person,
Yes.
search engine person, they cannot do this black hat SEO.
Yes, even if they are doing it like going against the guidelines of search engine, like in future their website will be blacklisted, like their website will be blocked. So that is like not, that's why it is not recommended to do black hat SEO. So like for example, I'm clicking on this download button, and if I click on this get here, so this button get here, so it redirected me to this website. But I was not supposed to get redirected to this website. I was supposed to get redirected to Canva, which was my original location, like the end location. So this is my example of doorway doorway pages. So in this way, you get redirected whenever you click on any, like I'll click on this get here button. So it is redirecting me to some other page. So that is considered as doorway pages. When you are supposed to land on a particular web page, but you are instead of you are landing on some different page.
No, how can you say that is a low quality pages?
Swash, see, by clicking on this, my end goal was to reach on Canva.
Okay.
Okay, I know that because I use this platform. So that's why I know that my end goal is to reach Canva, but I was not like I'm able to reach to Canva. Rather, I reach to this website. This website. So that is considered as black hat SEO because it is not good. Like the user is wanting some other thing, but you are like providing them some different thing. So that is considered like creating low quality because you see, this is only a simple page, nothing much. Only get here, free SEO tool sponsored by Bingo Tingo and the name. That's it. Nothing else is there. And even if you will check its domain authority and everything, it will not be much higher. So that's why it is considered as low quality and it is redirecting me to some different website. Okay. Then is gray hat SEO. So gray hat SEO is something which fall between white hat and black hat SEO. So if I say, if we are doing white hat SEO up to 95%, like if we are doing black hat SEO up to 95%. So 95% of your SEO practices is white hat SEO, but somewhat you are using 5% of the black hat SEO techniques, then it becomes like combining both of these will become your gray hat SEO in the practical world. It is as simple as that. Okay.
So is a gray hat SEO.
Yes, if you are using like 95% of the techniques of your is white hat SEO and only 5% of the techniques you are using of black hat SEO,
But
then
is it, but
then
this is accepted.
um to some extent it is accepted, but gray hat SEO is accepted to some extent, but like it is not recommended. This thing is also not recommended. Like if I say great hat, I already told you that great hat SEO is something which falls between white hat and black hat tactics, and they they directly will not directly violate the search engine guidelines, but involve some kind of risk. They have some kind of risk. Okay. So the gray hat SEO techniques may not result in immediate penalties, but they can like whenever the algorithm change negatively impact your website ranking in the long term. So I can give you an example. So if you use duplicate content, as we discussed here, where it is article spinning. So if you do this activity, so it will not like immediately affect your website's ranking. Like when you use some article and rewrite it in like changes some few of the words, it will not immediately affect your website's ranking, but yes, in future it can lead to negative impact on your website's ranking. So you should refrain from doing that. And keyword stuffing can be one of the gray hat SEO techniques. Then I told you the clickbait. The when the original content is showing something different, but if you go and read or watch that content, it is something different else. So these are some gray hat SEOs. Okay. Is it clear to both of you or not? Am I audible to both of you? Shri Subhash, no responses. So,
Yes,
should I
ma'am.
should I think it is clear to you, both of you?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, okay. Then concluding all of these, so white hat SEO is basically the process in which we utilize techniques and methods according to the search engine guidelines so that we can improve the organic ranking of our website or web pages in the search engine. So that was our white hat SEO. Then is black hat SEO. So black hat is completely opposite opposes the use of methods and tactics based on search engine guidelines. So we go against the guidelines of the search engine. All the techniques that come under black hat SEO either try to cheat or bluff the search engines. Then is gray hat SEO is the mixture of black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Still, they remain under the guidelines of still they remains opposite to the search engine guidelines and still cannot be counted purely white hat SEO methods or techniques. I hope that conclusion cleared many things to both of you.
Yes, madam.
So with this, your SEO techniques is completed. I'll open the other slide. Okay. Is my screen visible to both of you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any one of you can brief me about what is SEO?
Search engine optimization, bringing the website top of the SERP for the specific keyword.
Yes. Subhash, do you have any idea about what is search engine optimization? Subhash?
Hello.
Yes, Subhash, do you have any idea about what is search engine optimization?
The search in digital marketing, it is very useful for search engine optimization. It is useful in the internet activities. Search engine is a practical with a comparison, some following the guidelines of the Google or some other agencies, providing the users to high quality, relevant content and positive experience.
Okay, so from where you were reading out it, or you have framed your own answer?
No, these are my own answers.
Okay, that's great. That's good. Okay, so now we will start with search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. So, firstly, we will understand what exactly is search engine, and then we will understand what is optimization. So, we then combining both of these is considered as our SEO.
Actually,
So,
optimization is the efficiency, no, madam. Optimization is the efficiency.
yes. So,
Okay.
what is search engine? I want answers in very layman language, like very simple language. No high-five words, no something like very simple. What is search engine?
Search engines means Google, Bing, all these scholars.
No, that is the name of search engine. I want your understanding about what is search engine. That is the name of all the search engines.
Where the user search the information.
Yes, correct. Subhash, what is search engine?
No, the search engine is a somehow it is an important part of the uh, this one internet.
So what you do over there?
So, suppose we enter in the blogs, that blogs to search the information. That is search engine.
Correct. So in very simple language, search engine something where we go to search something. Very simple.
Yeah, search
Okay.
something. That's the
Yes.
information searching.
Yes. Now comes the part. So search engine is basically a software system that is designed to carry out web searches. So it is basically a software that is used so that we can do web searches, website searches. Okay. So that is our search engine. I hope it is clear to you what is search engine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now comes like what name any Subhash, name any one search engine. Only one.
Search engine Google.
Yes. Shri,
Bing, Microsoft Edge.
yes. Subhash, any other search engine?
No, before this Red Bull, I think. Mm,
Yahoo.
Yahoo,
Yes.
Yahoo.
Google, Microsoft Bing, which is open right in front of you. This is Microsoft Bing. Then we have Yahoo. Then we have like multiple search engines. We have
Bingo.
we have Ask, and there are multiple search engines for different countries. So let it be like we mainly focus on Google. So we work according to the guidelines of Google, and we optimize content according to that only, so that our website get ranked on Google. So we have understood what is search engine. Now comes the part of optimization. So optimization is something, as Vash said, it is something which is efficient or efficiency. Shri, what is your understanding for optimization?
Optimization means following the guidelines.
No, optimization as a word, what it means, not for Google or something. What is optimization? Like as a
Ed-
word, what it means?
Editing, ma'am.
No.
No. Okay, let me make it clearer to you. So optimization is when we like make the best of something, like make most effective use of something, some situation or some resource. It is optimization, like the maximum use or like the most effective use of something. So optimization is basically the act of making the best or the most effective use of a situation or resource. Okay.
The best efforts will get from the optimization.
Yes. Shri, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have understood search engine. Now we have understood what is optimization. So we have understood both of these terms, and combining these terms makes SEO, search engine optimization. Now we will see what is search engine optimization. So search engine optimization is basically a set of practices which we do so that we can improve our website visibility and ranking in search engine result pages. So it is basically the process of making the web page, like your website or web pages, better for search engines so that it can rank higher. And the main goal is to attract non-paid traffic, like the organic traffic only. Organic is non-paid. So we want to attract non-paid traffic from like search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo. And then SEO, search engine optimization, basically
Madam, non-paid means
non-paid when you don't pay anything for
no, we give some information. That is a non-paid. No, we'll getting the
no.
money. That is
When we don't use money, that is non-paid. That's it. Okay.
okay. Okay.
And keep this organic word in mind that it is non-paid, because you will hear it a lot from my side, organic word. Okay. So SEO basically involves various elements of a website. It includes content, HTML coding, how the site is formed, what is the main structure or architecture of the website, how so that we can make the website more search engine friendly and relevant to the person who is like searching for any queries. So the key aspects of SEO, the things,
Ma'am,
yeah.
one's come up, ma'am. One's come up.
Yes. Yes, Shri. Shri, do you have something? Uh, Shri.
Ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Yes, Shri. Please go ahead. I was waiting for you.
Involving Involves optimizing various elements means using best of them, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Shri. Please check your internet connection. I guess there is some issue with your connection.
Involving involves optimizing various elements means what, ma'am?
When we basically optimize these elements of website, like the elements which are present on the website, which include the content of the website, HTML coding, the structure of the website, and much more things.
Okay. It's a optimization.
Yes.
Okay.
So the key aspects of
Site architecture means what, ma'am?
site
Structure.
architecture is how the website is formed. What is the structure of our
Structure.
website?
Okay.
Okay. So now we have discussed like what is search engine, but I just wanted to ask a question to both of you. Do we optimize search engines in SEO? Like what exactly you have understood from this definition? Do we optimize the content or we optimize the search engines?
No content, madam.
Yes, that's correct. Like we can optimize our website or web pages because we cannot make changes in the back end of the search engines. So that's why we like optimize our content only.
The generally we are facing the front view only. We are the back end. We are not doing anything.
Yes.
We are
So
only
we have
going
to
on
work on the like optimization
front
of the
end.
content only.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the other day we discussed about how search engines work. I guess you remember the crawling, indexing, and ranking part.
Yes, madam.
So, any one of you can explain me what is crawling?
Crawling means once we submitted our website to Google, will come and collect our information,
Yes.
updated information,
Yes. Okay. What is indexing
and it indexes in search engines, ma'am.
and what is ranking?
After that, we rank.
Okay. So I'll explain it once again quickly. Like scrolling is when the spider scroll the data, picks up all the data which is available on the internet and puts it into its local server. We cannot see the local servers. It is the local hard disk they have, and we cannot access that hard disk. So in the local server, there are indexers of the Google. The indexers of the Google do indexing. That is, they divide the indexing is basically dividing them into different categories. Crawling is when they pick up the data which is present all over the internet and puts it in the local server. Indexing is when they divide that data into different categories. For example, if this data is for beauty or education or anything, like anything related to it. For example, dress according to colors, gifts, etc. So they divide it according to different categories. And then is like when the user search something, Google will rank according to its ranking algorithm. So Google have algorithm, we are discussing about it. So they rank according to that algorithm or the activities, search engine optimization activities we do so that we can improve the ranking of our website on Google. So I hope
Actually,
it is clear now.
no,
Crawling.
actually, madam, actually, crawler is a program, madam. It's a program.
So crawling, indexing, and ranking is the method or the way search engine work.
That is collected data from the internet.
Yes, so I'm saying this is the whole process I told you. It is how search engine actually works. So they first crawl your data, the data present on the internet, then they index it, then they rank it according to their algorithm. Okay.
So either, madam, ranking, it is get from the Google only.
Yes, you will get ranking according to the ranking algorithm of the Google, according to the off-page SEO activities you do. Any unpaid activities you will do, like non-paid activities you will do, will help to improve the ranking of the website on search engine.
No, no. My question is, who will give the ranking of this that
Google.
Google only?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now comes the part keyword aspects of SEO. So the first one is keyword research. So in keyword research, so all of these will be doing. One second, let me check. So we will be doing the keyword research and everything in, I guess, next or next to next class. So I'll just brief you about what is keyword research. The first one, keyword research. So keyword research is basically when we identify and target the keywords which are relevant to our business. For example, I have education-based business and I sell courses. So for example, I sell digital marketing course. So any keyword related to like digital marketing course near me, digital marketing course in Gurugram, best digital marketing course. So these are the keywords which we have to identify from like using, we have to do keyword research using some tools, so that whenever someone searches for like best digital marketing tools, sorry, best digital marketing course in Gurugram, so then our website should come up for that. So that's how like that's why we should do proper keyword research before working on any keywords. Then is on-page optimization. On-page optimization is when we optimize individual pages with with elements such as keyword-rich content. They have like every page has a proper number of keywords included in that content. We have meta tags like meta title, meta description. I showed you the other day. Then we have headers, headings basically. Then we have multimedia, which are images, videos, infographics, and many things. Then is off-page optimization. Off-page optimization is when we build high quality backlinks from other reputable websites so that we can enhance our website's authority and credibility. Then is technical SEO. Technical SEO is basically how we address the technical aspect of our website. The technical aspects basically include the site speed, like how much time our website is taking to open, like it is mobile friendly or not, it is easily crawlable or not, it is indexable or not. We have to keep all of these things in mind while doing technical SEO. Then is content optimization, content creation. Content creation is we have to develop high quality content. The content should be relevant and valuable content, so that it satisfies the user's need and address what they actually want. Then is user experience. We must ensure that the website has a like positive and a seamless experience to whoever visits our website, which includes like if they can go from one page to another easily, they can like the website opens fastly. So everything is considered like comes under user experience. Then is local SEO. Local SEO is when we optimize our website so that it can appear in local search results. For example, if someone searches for digital marketing course near me, so my website should come up when someone searches for near me, nearby, in Gurugram. Or so we have to do multiple activities in local SEO as well, so that we can easily target our local audience. Then we have analytics and monitoring. So we have to use tools like Google Analytics, so that we can track how our website is performing, how like how the users are behaving, and then we have to take decisions according to that data only. So I briefly explained you the key aspects which are included in SEO, and hopefully maybe from the next or next to class we will like do things practically. Okay.
Practical, madam.
Yes.
The practical means how it is we are going to do, madam. Practical means
We'll discuss that in next class.
okay.
Yes. So any queries for these things we have done till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I hope the things are clear to you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
madam. Yes, madam. But you are given examples. No, 100% we understand that.
But from now on, I we will do the practical, so you will like understand these things properly. So don't
Okay,
worry about that.
okay, madam.
Yes. Okay,
Madam,
then
before that you told no you where we checked our this one.
is my screen visible now?
Yes, madam.
Ma'am, can I leave, ma'am?
So you know how to check the comments, Shri?
Yeah, I know, ma'am.
Okay, then you can share your screen and show Subhash like how he can check the comments because I have the instructor login. So that's why I won't be able to show him properly. So you can, I'll stop sharing my screen and yes. Go ahead.
See here, see, good job with your assignment. So go to the assignment status and then you can upload the assignment here
Oh, that's okay.
and here the message. See, good job with your assignment.
No,
Okay.
that is only commit. Message is only commit.
Yeah,
Okay, I think that separate is there means I think that.
nothing like that.
Okay, any correction, madam, to send anything?
Yes, I have added like the comment. You must have checked it. Actually, you can leave if you have.
Okay.
Subhash, you have like added the description, the whole description. I just gave you the assignment, so you have to give me the title only, which should be SEO friendly, not the whole description.
Okay, madam.
Okay, so try it.
Now, where we get that comments, madam? She's given the message only. She's
So the
read.
comment is the message only. It is the same thing.
I see. Okay, okay,
Okay, so please, the next class is about to start. You can leave the class for now.
okay.
Okay,
Thank you, madam.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.